In our last video, we created the master template for our example site in Kentico CMS. Now we have a start on our page code, we can import our CSS code. At this point, you can open your raw CSS style sheet in the editor of your choice and copy the code. Then we'll go over to the Kentico CMS Site Manager, go into Development, CSS Style Sheets, and then we'll click on a new CSS Style Sheet. Here we'll give the style sheet a display name and a code name. This will match the name of our theme folder in the app themes folder in the Kentico directory. And then we'll paste our code in. And down here we'll make sure it's clicked Assign to our site and click OK. One of the things I want to mention here is that before I pasted my CSS in, I went ahead and put in these bookmark comments that create these bookmarks in the Kentico, which are a great help with navigating around your CSS style sheet and checking things and changing things and adding things. The next step is to go ahead and go to Sites and open our site for editing. Now that we have our style sheet available, we'll go ahead and assign it there. Click OK. Now we switch over to our CMS desk. In the Edit tab on the master page, we can see that we've got our style sheet coming in here. We can see where all the different structural code is coming in that we cut out of the HTML, our original HTML. And now that we have our page code and CSS in place along with our images and so forth, we can take a look at what we've got so far. We're going to prepare the page and start getting ready to start more pages and start getting ready for content. So we go back to the Edit tab, we go back to Design. And we're going to add a placeholder, a web part, down here. In our web part selection under General, we'll see the page placeholder. We select that and click OK. Here's our page placeholder. After we've made this selection, we can configure it. We will show it for document types page. That is pretty much all the configuration that's absolutely necessary. So we can go Apply, OK, and we're done there. And what this page placeholder will do is as we add pages to the site that inherit this master page, that will be the part of the page where the actual page template will go, hold the content for that page. So now we have built our master template, put in our CSS and configured our master template to add pages. Next we'll start adding pages, and then we'll move on to building our web part containers and putting in content.